Okay. Well, my name is Jair Salvador. I don't go with the surname because it's very, very long. So I will be part of the jury in Animateka.
My name is Robert Leubel. I'm from Germany. I'm an animator and illustrator. And I like to make indie films in my free time. And beside that, I do workshops and give lectures for kids, students, and a lot of cute people.
I'm Igor Kovalyev. I was born in Ukraine. I'm Ukrainian, but I'm working in Moscow, in Russia now. Can you imagine Ukrainian working in Russia?
And I made the visual for the Animateka poster, yes. And the bag, and the badge, and everything. So Igor told me to represent element of architecture of the city of Ljubljana. And I don't know, nobody noticed it, but I did the 3 bridges with the water. Ah. Okay, and like there's a lot of savage animals in Slovenia, I made a little wolf looking life through the pellicule of movie.
And I mostly work as a curator of programs of animated films. And now I started my festival in Norway, in Bergen. It's called Reanima. Actually, I am very, very happy to screen our program here because we'll be the first screening because we started with itinerant screenings. And our program is I don't want to say artistic animation, but these animation short films are very, very full of different issues, like politic issues, also others with beautiful aesthetics and technique. But the most important is this is international program. It's like the best of our festival, and I think will be very interesting to show these films here in Slovenia. I was just very impressed how the people here in Slovenia loves animation. I think it's a special audience here in Slovenia. So for that, I'm very happy that we will screen it Saturday at 3.
Professional. Yeah, in my jury program, I show my own short films, but I only made 3 films, so it's like 15 minutes program. So and I think the jury program has to be 70 minutes. So I choose a lot of films I liked and I grew up with, and still this movies kind of inspired me or inspired the way I work today. Also from like local artists. There was a time where you can just go there and like check out how they work and make an internship at their place and something, and they showed me some independent films, and this is like what inspired me to become an animator. And now I have the chance to show their work here at Animateka. It was really funny to send emails to those people because some of them never check emails or don't like to answer emails. But finally, yeah, I got it, and I'm happy to show them. I'm also like looking forward to the reactions of the audience to see these films.
Yes, so I choose 3 different authors, and one person is not very well known. His name is Dave DeMille, quite underground guy, but he made lovely animation. I love the image and the subject too. Okay, so about the Bruce Bickford. It's a kind of psychedelic animation with pâte à modeler in French. And it's crazy because it's a small sculpture that are moving all the time. It's crazy work. And the other one is very dark too. I like the way it is drawn, very raw, the way it is done. Just the necessary things, very, very simple. but the story are very good and very strange too. The way he tells very good story, a very special way.
First of all, for me, animation, it's a part of cinema. And I would like to charge like a cinematography art, first of all, and movie language. No politics, nothing, just a real art. That's it.
It must be an outstanding work, never seen before. And no, it has to be some special in it, maybe like storytelling wise, or maybe also how it looks or how it feels. I mean, everything is possible in animation, so it's hard to judge anyway.
And of course, we will have a different point of view. Taste. It's normal. That's what is interesting.
I think we will have a lot of hard work here because the quality looks very, very high.